Let me show you what you can do if your Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra doesn't want to charge properly. Maybe the charging speed is incredibly slow, or again it doesn't charge at all, or maybe if you insert it, basically it doesn't insert fully, or again maybe if you touch your cable a bit the charging stops, or any other problem. So the most common cause of this problem is you simply have something stuck inside in your Type-C port. So essentially when you place your phone in your pocket, basically in your pocket there's usually a bunch of lint, a bunch of like crumbs and stuff like that, so that simply gets stuck inside, and when you next time actually take your charger to charge your phone, essentially you stuff in all that junk basically even further. So and basically once that happens, basically your charger can't make proper contact and obviously it won't charge. So what we can do is we can simply clean this out, and for this job we'll need very basic tools. First, a dust blower like this is very helpful, and also the second probably tool we can use is a sewing needle. So a very fine sewing needle, so but it has to be a very small one. So I'm going to use something like this. So as you see, it's absolutely tiny, so we have to use very small one, otherwise yeah, we risk damaging something. Also maybe a toothbrush or like a regular brush also is helpful. Also you can use one of these cleaning kits, so as you can see it doesn't really cost anything much. I'll leave a link in the description and comments where you can get it. So the most important tools really in this kit are maybe these small brushes, so they kind of act as that needle as well, and again this blower. So check the description. As you see on AliExpress it doesn't really cost anything much. On Amazon it's around maybe $10, so definitely much cheaper, but again I will leave a link to the Amazon as well. Then first what we need to do is power off your phone, so simply turn it off. We do not want our phone on. And then also what you can do is you can also take a flashlight, actually visually inspect what's actually inside. So if you have good eyesight you should be able to actually see what's actually happening in that port. Also here's a quick drawing of what it actually looks like inside. So in the middle of the Type-C we have the like strip, so basically where you have these connector pins, so basically where your charger connects, and we actually do not want to damage these at all. So what we are going to do is we are going to take our very small tiny needle and simply like in a scooping motion, like while keeping basically on the edge side, basically like scrape it out and like pull out any junk that actually comes out, so on both sides, so while keeping at the outer edge, so and like this. So we probably won't do the like these corners as they are very hard to access, only again these sides essentially, and keep away from the main. And then also make sure you hold your phone like this, so everything actually falls out that you scoop out. So but I'm going to show you like this. So again, as you see, I'm simply inserting my needle and keeping at the like very edge, so I'm not touching that middle like connector. So and I'm simply going around here and basically scooping out anything that comes out. So this is pretty much brand new phone, so there's nothing inside, but again this is what I do on old phones that have actually this problem. So and simply scoop it out. You can also maybe shake it if you want, and again this blower is extremely useful. So what you essentially do is first you like dislodge all the junk with a needle, and then use the blower to actually blow out everything, so it actually comes out. So this actually like puts in like huge amount of air, so and it simply blows out everything, so while keeping your phone like this. So simply rapidly blow inside, and we can repeat this procedure maybe a few times. So go in with your needle and then again repeat with the blower. Also you can take for example maybe like a few strands from a brush like this, and also use those strands to simply brush out, so again to dislodge all the junk, so we can more easily blow them out. Or again you can use like a tip of a toothbrush essentially to do the same job. So toothbrush probably is even better as it's kind of stiff. And again repeat with the blower to get rid of all the junk, obviously while you hold your phone like this, and that should take care of everything inside, and yeah, it should be clean after that. Also one more thing, also make sure to verify that your charger cable itself is okay and you do not have any dirt stuck on it or stuff like that. So also you can inspect the inside of it and see if it's okay. By the way, also one more thing, as you actually bend your charger cable over time, basically the strands inside that makes up the cable actually can break. So even visually, if the cable actually looks okay, it doesn't automatically means it's still okay. So maybe your charger cable is the one that's actually causing this problem. So again, you can check that with another charger. And yeah, again, I will actually leave a link to where you can get one of these cleaning kits. So again, if you go on AliExpress, it doesn't really cost anything much. But again, I will also leave a link to Amazon. It costs around, I think, $10 around that. So obviously more expensive, but if you want it faster, you can get it there. Anyway, good luck.